welcome back to another vlog. Right now we're actually going to Cooper's Hawk, which I don't know exactly where they originated, but there's now 2 locations in Michigan, so we're going to have dinner. We got invited to like a complimentary dinner and some wine. It's Saturday night, so it's just a good time to like network and go and hang out and taste some good food, support a local business, and it was really, really nice of them to reach out and do that. So that's what we're gonna do tonight, and then we might go have some drinks after. Having some morning coffee. I love this coffee mug. So I just had my coffee and now I'm gonna try out this Glow Eco Balance Teeth Whitening Glow Vials, and let's see what it says. So it says each packet size glow vial delivers 6 doses of always fresh whitening gel that penetrates instantly. No messy strips needed. Simply brush on and get glowing anytime, anywhere. So it says squeeze a small bead of gel onto the brush. Brush the layer on top and bottom of teeth. Okay. So you get 3 vials like this. And this is meant for gum health. So I'm really excited to give this a try as well. So this product is antibiotic-free, alcohol-free, SLS stain-free, and like I said, you just put it on top of your regular toothpaste morning and night as you would to brush your teeth. My gums are actually very, very sensitive. Even when I do floss, my gums still bleed, so I'm hoping that this works. Anything that has to do with like teeth whitening or strengthening your gums or just anything like that, I really appreciate and I love to try. Like that and skincare are like my thing, especially like white teeth. Like this is a really good product. I'm really thankful to be able to try this. And I will update you guys in a couple weeks. So, let's try this. It said I have to wait 5 minutes. It feels weird. So it says one of these is 6 uses. Whew. It tastes like Crest White strips, kind of. It's not bad, but it just feels weird. My teeth feel like so clean right now. So apparently I'm supposed to use those 3 times a day. So I'll check back in with you guys in like a week or so and let you guys know the update. Hi you guys, good morning. Last time I checked in with you guys, I was trying out the Glow Kit, these little teeth whiteners, and I've been using them as frequently as possible as I remember, but my teeth feel so clean, so much whiter. I'm really impressed, actually. So before this brand reached out to me, I actually have never heard of them, but I'm really glad that they did because I would not be talking about this right now if I really didn't notice a difference. Especially in my bottom teeth, I could see kind of like a clear yellow tint that was starting to happen. I used to use Crest White strips all the time, but I stopped because I just heard they were really bad for your teeth. So I'm really happy to try something else out, and I really, really like those. So yeah, as you can see, my teeth feel so white and so clean. I've been using them like, I would say 2 to 3 times a day, sometimes 2 if I don't remember to do all 3. But yeah, I woke up today, side note, with like the worst anxiety ever. I don't know what's wrong with me. I've just been so anxious because I haven't been able to think of like YouTube video ideas, and I'm just struggling with content right now. Like, I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna get my day going, try to get as much work done as I possibly can and get rid of this anxiety. I'm just trying to chug water and like listen to good music right now. So I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog so far. And if you guys do want to check out these teeth whiteners, I will leave the link down below in the description box. Hi you guys, so today I'm going to take you guys along with me to run some errands. I just got back from the west side of Michigan yesterday, or last night actually. So today we're gonna first gotta go to my mailbox, go to the bank. I gotta get some coffee, of course. It is Tuesday. I feel like I always vlog on Tuesdays. It's just because like that's like my main day to get some work done when I'm not doing my serving job. But yeah, I'm gonna go get some coffee, go get my nails done. These are like 3 weeks out, which they look pretty good still, but they need to be done. And then what else? I might go to Home Goods and the grocery store. So we have a lot to do, and then I have to work from home all day. We took so many great photos, you guys, when we were on the western side of Michigan. So I have to edit all of those, and then I have to also edit the video from there, and then you guys are gonna see this vlog probably after that. But I hope you guys are all having a great week. I can't believe it's almost August already. I'm so depressed about that, but yeah, so come along with me to run some donuts. Don't mind my messy car, but my order is just a medium coffee with caramel, no cream, no sugar. It's so good. So I decided on this bright orange. I actually love it. I didn't know how I would feel about it, but I actually really like it. I literally took the worst possible way to go to the bank. So I'm gonna be stuck in traffic for a while. So just checking in with you guys. I am gonna go to Home Goods though, I think. I haven't been to Home Goods since they opened, so I don't know how crazy it's gonna be. But I have to get a couple of things for my kitchen. I have to get a new cutting board because I broke mine for dinner tonight. And then I need to get tongs because I don't have a pair. Really random, but like I've been needing those for a while. So I'm gonna go to Home Goods. Hopefully I don't walk out with too much that I don't need, but we'll see. But I really like my nail color. I'm not a huge like orange person, but I really actually like this color, especially because I'm tan from like the weekend, so I think it looks pretty good. But yeah, it is like 2 o'clock right now. So hopefully it's not too crazy packed and I can get in and out and be back, because like I said, I still have so much to do with like editing and all that kind of stuff, and I have to clean my whole house, and there's construction, so I gotta... Usually my follow me around vlogs go up on Mondays, but this one's gonna have to go up today, which is Tuesday, but that's okay, we're only a day late. Don't hate me. But okay, so something funny is happening because I am actually getting a new washer today for my apartment complex, which I'm super excited because they actually told me that they don't give us washers anymore. Like that's like on us now if it breaks. But then when they resent me out my like lease agreement to like renew my lease, but don't mind this. But they told me that they would actually give me a new washer. So that's what they're doing today, but they don't know that I have a cat because I got him like after I already signed the lease. So I'm gonna have to hide him in here. He's in here. You poor little nugget. You're gonna be locked in my beauty room with me until they're done installing the washer. And then I actually had to hide like his litter box and stuff in the closet downstairs. But I really don't think that the maintenance guys will even really care. Like, what do they care? Oh, but I wanna show you guys my new rug. You're gonna love it. It's ginormous, don't mind my living room's kind of messy. He is obsessed with it, but look how beautiful. It's from Wayfair, and it's actually so soft, you guys. It's a 9 by 12.5, which I underestimated how big that really is, because it takes up like my entire living room. As you can see, it goes all the way to my dining room table, and then like almost to the fireplace, but I love it. I think it goes perfectly, so I got like rose gold going on, I got gold, silver, I got all the colors, and I like it like that. He loves it. Do you love the rug? Do you love the rug? Okay guys, so tonight, oh that light's already on. Tonight we are going to make cod, green beans, and I got this that looks really, really yummy. Well, oh no. No. What the heck? I've been defrosting this cod all day and it's still freaking frozen, so I'm gonna have to put it under some water. But I do want to show you the mac and cheese that I got. It is the Rezzer's Main Street Bistro Baked Macaroni and Cheese. This looks so good. So we're gonna have that, and then I have some green beans that we're gonna make. So a healthy, yummy dinner, and then I have some wine. Part of the nightly routine tonight.